The Wisconsin State Fair ended on a soggy note when officials decided to shut down due to the storms. You're looking at video from Saturday night where fairgoers were wading through floodwaters to leave, many reporting the flooding to be ankle or knee deep. Officials decided to keep the grounds and event closed on Sunday as a result of that flooding. And the State Fair posted to their Facebook page with an update. While those who planned to attend the fair on Sunday couldn't use their tickets, fair officials did offer a solution. Anyone with a Sunday ticket will have the chance to exchange them for a ticket to next year's fair or a voucher. The exchanges will be fulfilled sometime next month. More details on the process will be released on the State Fair's website.